channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a homemade fidget toy. It's going to be really fun. Hopefully you guys can try it at home after I show you. So everything you need is some scissors. Those are craft scissors. And you need some tape, a balloon, any color, we only have black, and some beads. So the first thing you do is you take this here, bead fell out. Okay, anyways, so you take this and you take your scissors and you cut this part off, like this, like so. Let's cut it off. Scissors are the best scissors though. They're not really cutting. Can you give me some? Okay, thanks. Okay, now I'm getting some other scissors. Ask your parents at home for these, if you need these kind of scissors. Whoa. Okay, here. Can you cut it? Okay, my mom's helping me cut it.
You may need adult help.
Yep. It's hard to cut.
Yeah. It can be a little difficult to cut a balloon.
Yeah, because there's like rubbery and stuff. There we go. Okay, she got it. So you cut off this part. And you take your balloon, this part of it, not this part. And then you take your beads and you, it's hard to put these in. Here, can you hold this open? If you have, my mom's gonna have to hold it open for me. Put them in. Here we go. Now you just put in beads in the balloon, like so. You can put as many beads as you want. I'm gonna put all of these. Not a whole bunch in here, but. Okay, there's all the beads. Here, I'll hold it now. And then you take the balloon, that has the beads inside. You take a piece of tape. Make sure it's pretty long, and take your stress ball, and you take it, the balloon, and the tape's sticking together. Let me fix it. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera that much today. Okay, that messed with that. Make sure your tape didn't stick together, because it's messed up. So yeah, here, I'll get another piece. This can't happen to me again. Okay, there we go. So how you do it is you just go around the balloon, like so, and then you take it and you can just like kind of just put it on. However you want after that. So yeah, sorry that. So yeah, and then here, make sure it's taped good, like that. And now you got your homemade stress ball. It's actually really fun. It's actually fidget, but it can be stress ball. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe, bye, the bell so you don't miss another video. And make sure you try this at home. Bye.